Understand English but can't speak. Do T1 this. If you understand English but you freeze when it's your turn, we're going to fix that with one simple habit you can start today.
You'll learn how to turn listening into speaking using ready-to-use phrases, quick practice challenges, and a way to respond faster without feeling stuck.
Paige, I want this episode to feel like someone can pause, copy one line, and immediately sound more natural in daily conversation.
Same. No long lectures. Just real phrases, real situations, and little speaking moves that make your brain relax.
Quick favor. If you like the podcast, subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot, and thank you for doing that.
Okay, let's go. The gap isn't understanding. The gap is having fast sentences ready when it's your turn.
Today's big idea. Learn chunks, not single words. Chunks are small, complete phrases you can grab quickly.
When you only learn words, you still have to build a sentence under pressure. And that's where people freeze.
Give me a second. Say it out loud, right now.
That buys time and sounds normal. It's a calm pause button you can use anywhere.
I'm not sure yet. Say it out loud.
Now combine. Give me a second. I'm not sure yet. You just spoke a full mini answer.
I might. It lets you speak even if you don't know your final plan.
A lot of learners think they need a perfect decision to speak. Native speakers use I might constantly.
I might, but I have to check. Say it once.
To sound warm, add that sounds fun. Then it feels friendly, not robotic.
Quick drill, Paige. Invite me somewhere simple.
Want to grab coffee later?
That sounds fun. I might, but I have to check. Give me a second.
Listeners, copy that out loud. Then swap coffee with something in your life. Dinner, a walk, a movie.
Here's why you understand but can't speak. You listen for meaning, but you don't save the exact wording.
So, we want listening with capture. Catch one useful phrase and keep it, like a tool in your pocket.
Give us a normal phrase you actually use, Paige. Something real.
I'm down, but I'm tired. It means I'm willing, but my energy is low.
Steal the frame. I'm down, but plus your reason. I'm down, but I have plans.
If I'm down feels too casual, use I'm up for it. Same meaning, still natural.
I'm down for that. I'm up for it. Pick one you like.
Speaking gets harder when people talk fast and you try to translate every word. That slows everything down.
Instead, listen for one chunk, catch one phrase, and you already gained something you can reuse later.
All right, now we'll slow it down a little and build a system, but we'll keep it conversational and practical.
Here's the system. Collect, twist, recycle. Collect one short phrase you hear today. Twist it by changing one detail to match your life. Then recycle it for a few days until it comes out automatically. This trains real-time speaking, not just understanding.
When you collect, choose phrases you'd actually use in everyday situations. Errands, making plans, chatting with friends, texting someone back. Short, common phrases give you the best results because you'll hear them again and again.
Let's collect a classic. Sorry, what do you mean? It keeps you in the conversation when you miss a detail. It sounds polite, and it prevents you from guessing.
My phone is acting up. Sorry, what do you mean? Is it slow or is it freezing? Options make questions easier.
That option move is a cheat code. Is it A or B? Works everywhere. Are you hungry or just bored? Is it far or pretty close? You sound clear and you buy time while your brain catches up.
Now, twist step. Keep the structure but change the detail. Sorry, what do you mean? Can become, wait, what do you mean? Same idea, slightly different feel. Pick one that fits you and stick with it for a week.
Recycle step. Use it on purpose. When someone explains something quickly, use your phrase instead of staying silent. Or practice with a video. Pause, repeat the phrase, then ask one follow-up question.
Short first answers make you sound confident. Start with a short response, then add one detail. Yeah, totally. Then I can do that. Or, not really. Then I'm kind of tired.
It depends. The reason is I might have something else going on.
If you feel stuck mid-sentence, use repair phrases. I mean, actually, let me rephrase that. These let you restart without freezing and keep your confidence steady.
Example. I'm free on Friday actually. I mean Saturday. Now you try. Say a plan, then change the day or time.
My example. I'm gonna cook tonight. Actually, let me rephrase that. I'm probably just gonna make something quick. You need control. Start, adjust, keep going.
Softener words help you sound relaxed. Kind of, a little, pretty, probably. They reduce pressure because you don't have to sound 100% sure all the time.
I'm not really into it. It's honest, but not harsh. You can use it for a movie, a restaurant, a song, or an activity, and it keeps the vibe friendly.
Speed round, horror movies, super spicy food, waking up early on weekends. I'm not really into it. Plus one detail. Horror movies creep me out, and spicy food gives me heartburn.
Horror movies? Am not really into it. They stress me out. Spicy food? Am not really into it. It's too much for me. Early weekends? Am not really into it. I need a slow morning.
If starting conversations is hard, use starters. Quick question, random question. Can I ask you something? Then ask something simple so you can continue talking.
Examples. Quick question. Did you already eat? Random question. What are you watching lately? Or, can I ask you something? What time does the store close?
Aaron's phrase, I'm just looking. If someone asks if you need help, say, I'm just looking. Thanks. It's polite and easy to twist by adding what you're looking for.
Twist it. I'm just looking for batteries. I'm just looking for shampoo. Same structure, new detail. You're using a ready frame and swapping one piece.
Recycle drill with, give me a second. I'll ask, are you free later? Can you help tomorrow? Do you want to do something this weekend?
Give me a second, maybe. Give me a second. I have to check. Give me a second. It depends. That keeps you speaking even when you're unsure. Then upgrade with a follow-up.
2 upgrades. Let me check my schedule, and I'll get back to you. These keep you from over-explaining what you think.
You can say, I'll get back to you in a bit, or I'll get back to you later. It's casual and common, and it buys you time in a friendly way.
Another everyday chunk is on trying to plus a goal. I'm trying to get more sleep. I'm trying to save money. I'm trying to eat better.
Pretty good. I'm trying to get back into a routine. Tiny details like that keep conversations easy.
Speaking workout, the 2-minute loop. Pick one tiny topic and talk for 2 minutes. Reuse your chunks. The goal is your voice staying active.
Use organizer chunks. Honestly, the main thing is, and so yeah, that structure makes even simple English sound organized and natural.
Mini demo. What did you eat today? Honestly, I kept it simple. The main thing is I didn't want anything heavy. So yeah, it was quick and easy. Now you do it.
Add a follow-up. How about you? It gives you a break and keeps the chat moving naturally. Fluent conversation is often just that rhythm.
Don't collect 10 phrases at once. Collect 1, then recycle it all week. That's how it becomes automatic and starts coming out without effort.
Let's add one more everyday phrase that saves people. How's it going? If someone asks you that and you freeze, your safe answer is pretty good. Then add one tiny detail like, just busy today. It's short, normal, and it keeps you in the moment.
And you can twist it a bunch of ways. Pretty good, just tired. Pretty good, just trying to stay on top of things. Pretty good, can't complain. Pick one and recycle it all week, so it comes out fast when someone asks.
Now, a quick listening to speaking challenge. The next time you hear a phrase you like, repeat it once immediately, then say it again with one change. Example, if you hear, I'm not sure yet, you can say, I'm not sure yet, I'll let you know. That's how you turn input into output.
Here's a common mistake. People wait until they have perfect grammar to speak. You don't need that. You need reliable phrases that come out smoothly. Smooth and clear beats perfect and silent every time.
Let's do a tiny back and forth so listeners can copy the flow. I'll ask a question, you answer short first, then you ask me, how about you? Ready? What are you doing this weekend?
It depends. I might just relax at home. How about you?
Honestly, I'm not sure yet. I might meet up with a friend, but I have to check. See how those chunks stack together? It's simple, but it sounds natural.
And that stacking is the goal. You don't need long speeches. You need a few solid pieces you can connect quickly. Time buyer, soft answer, one detail, follow-up question.
One last confidence tip. Use one phrase in a real moment. Even something tiny like replying to a text or asking a quick question. Real moments make the phrase stick in your memory way faster.
All right, bring it home. Collect one phrase, twist one detail, recycle it for a few days. That's the habit. If you do that consistently, your speaking speed and comfort will rise a lot.
Before we end, do a quick self-check. Can you say 3 chunks without thinking? Try, "Give me a second. I'm not sure yet, and I'll get back to you." If you can say them smoothly, you're building real speaking ability.
And if one feels hard, that's your chunk for the week. Use it in a text, say it at home, say it in a real moment. Those small reps add up, and your speaking will start matching your understanding.
I might be heading to a local park for a walk. It depends on the weather. Where are you listening from today?
Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more casual English practice and comment one chunk you used this week.